muscles. There are around 648 muscles in our body. Types of muscles. There are mainly two types of muscles. That means voluntary muscles and involuntary muscles. Voluntary muscles are the muscles that can be moved according to our will. For example, skeletal muscles. The muscles that attach to our skeleton are known as skeletal muscles, and that is a voluntary muscle that can be moved according to our will. Then involuntary muscles. Involuntary muscles are those muscles which cannot be moved according to our will. For example, smooth muscles and cardiac muscles are examples for involuntary muscles. Those cannot be moved according to our will. Types of muscles. Smooth muscles are those muscles that is located inside our internal organs, and cardiac muscles are those muscles that is found in our heart. The skeletal muscles are the muscles that is attached to the skeleton. Now we will discuss the functions of skeletal muscles. Skeletal muscles contract only if stimulated. That means if we get a stimulation, then only the skeletal muscles contract. Skeletal muscles always act in a group rather than singly. That means the skeletal muscles cannot be acted singly, acts in a group. That means there are some agonist and antagonistic muscles, and that works together so that it acts in a group. Bone act as levers and joint act as fulcrum of these levers. There are some first class, second class and third class levers. So here bones act as levers and joints act as fulcrum for any movement. And the skeletal muscles contract according to a graded strength. That means when we get a graded strength, then only these muscles contract. Classification of skeletal muscles. Following are the classification of skeletal muscles. That means skeletal muscles according to the body parts, it can be classified as upper arm, lower arm, leg thigh, lower leg, foot, head, chest, shoulder, hand, abdominal wall, pelvic, trunk, facial expression and mastication. Upper arm. The major muscles that move our upper arm are pectoralis major, latissimus dorsi and deltoid. We will see the pictures here. This is deltoid. This is latissimus dorsi. This is the posterior portion of a human body. This muscle is deltoid. That is seen somewhere here. And this is latissimus dorsi. And here also we can see deltoid, latissimus dorsi and pectoralis major. Pectoralis major is found in the chest. It is major in male. One another picture of deltoid, pectoralis major. Here the muscles which move the lower arm are biceps, triceps and brachialis. We will see the pictures. Here you can see the biceps muscles here. Here you can see the triceps muscle. This one is triceps muscle and this is brachialis muscle. Biceps here, triceps at the back and brachialis muscle is found somewhere in the center. Next one, the muscles which move the leg thigh are gluteus maximus, iliopsoas, rectus femoris and adductor longus. This is the picture of gluteus maximus muscle. This is the largest muscle in human body, gluteus maximus. This one is iliopsoas. The bone you can see here is the ilium bone, and inside that in red color you can see the iliopsoas muscles. femoris muscle. That means we start from the hip bone and it extends towards the tibia. Rectus femoris. This one is adductor longus. It starts from the hip bone and it extends towards the femur. That means for doing this abduction and adduction movement of leg, we use this muscle, adductor longus muscle. This is the point of origin and this is the point of insertion of adductor longus muscle. Now, the muscles that move the lower leg are quadriceps femoris, hamstring and sartorius. This one is quadriceps femoris, that is in between the pelvic bone and femur. You can see the quadriceps femoris muscle. And this one is hamstring muscles. In the posterior side of the thigh, you can see the hamstring muscles. Now another picture of hamstring muscles. And this one is sartorius. Sartorius is the longest muscle in human body. Let's start from here. From the hip it starts and it goes diagonally and it is attached to the tibia bone. It's the longest muscle, sartorius. This is the point of origin and this is the point of insertion. Point of origin is pelvic bone and it extends towards the insertion is in the tibia bone. Sartorius, the longest muscle in human body. Now, the main muscles that move the foot are tibialis anterior, gastrocnemius and soleus muscle. This one is tibialis anterior. In front of the tibia bone, you can see tibialis anterior muscle. Tibialis anterior. You can see the tendons here. Tibialis anterior muscle. The red color you can see is tibialis anterior. This one is gastrocnemius. We also call it as calf muscles, but the scientific name is gastrocnemius. The posterior side of our leg, lower leg, you can see gastrocnemius muscle. But the side of gastrocnemius muscle is soleus muscle. In this picture, it is visible that this one is the calf muscle or gastrocnemius muscle. This one is soleus muscle, and this is the tendon. The tendon is the attachment between a bone and a muscle. This one is Achilles tendon. Now, the muscles which move the head are sternocleidomastoid, Splenius Capitus and Splenius Capitus. We will see the pictures. This is sternocleidomastoid. The red color we can see here is sternocleidomastoid. It helps in twisting of head towards the sides. This is the side view of sternocleidomastoid muscle. This one is Splenius Capitus. In the cervical region, we can see the Splenius Capital muscle. In the red color, you can see Splenius Capitus muscle. This one is Longisius Capitus. The both sides we can see the Longisius Capitus and it directs our head. These two muscles directs our head. Longisius Capitus. Now, the muscles that move the chest are external intercostal muscles, internal intercostal muscles and diaphragm. In this picture, you can see the ribs here. In this yellow color, you can see the ribs here and inside that you can see the intercostal muscles. External intercostal muscle is found a little bit externally and internal intercostal muscle is found internally. They help in breathing. In the white color you can see the ribs and the red color is the intercostal muscles. Internal intercostal and external intercostal muscles. This is the picture of inhalation and exhalation. We will discuss about the functions of diaphragm. Diaphragm is the separation between the abdominal area and the thoracic area, and the main function of diaphragm is breathing. It helps in breathing. Here, while in inhalation, the diaphragm flattens, and while exhalation, the pressure inside the lungs will become less than the atmospheric pressure, and the diaphragm relaxes here. The main function of diaphragm is to help breathing. The muscles which move the shoulder are trapezius, pectoralis, and serratus anterior. This one is trapezius muscle. That's somewhat situated here. Trapezius muscle. And this one is pectoralis major. There are pectoralis major and minor muscles that is found in the chest region and is dominant in male. Next one is serratus anterior. That's we call it as wings muscles. In the both side we can see that color is serratus anterior muscles. The muscles which move the hand are ulnaris longus, flexor carpi radialis, flexor carpi ulnaris, extensor carpi radialis longus, extensor carpi radialis brevis. You see the pictures. This one is palmaris longus. The red color you can see is palmaris longus. And this one is flexor carpi radialis. In this rose color you can see is flexor carpi radialis. It is nearer to the radius bone. And this one is flexor carpi ulnaris. It is found nearer to the ulnar bone. Flexor carpi ulnaris. This one. This one is extensor carpi radialis longus and brevis. Muscles that move the abdominal wall are external oblique, internal oblique, transversalis and rectus abdominis. This one is external oblique muscle, that is somewhat situated here. When we do this sit-ups with twisting and all, we develop this muscle, external oblique muscle. This one is internal oblique, that means it is found little bit internally and it is known as internal oblique muscle. Next one is rectus abdominis. The muscle where you can see on your abdomen, rectus abdominis. We also call it as six-pack muscle. Rectus abdominis muscle. The muscles which move the pelvic are levator, anal and coccygeus. This one is levator anal muscles. This is the pelvic bone, and inside that you can see the levator anal muscle. And this is the coccygeus. In the green color you can see is coccygeus muscle. Next one, the muscles which move the trunk are iliopsoas, sacrospinalis, iliopsoas lumbar, lordosinus dorsal. This is the iliopsoas muscle. In the red color, this is the ilium bone, and you can see the iliopsoas here. In the red color, you can see the. In this slide, you can see the erector spinae muscles. These muscles erect the spinal cord. Here you can see on both sides of the spine is the erector muscles. This one is iliocostalis, lordosinus, and spinalis. Today's class